Hello, I am Dr. Marc Ellis of the Georgia Chiropractic Neurology Center, and on February 28th at 7 p.m., we'll be hosting a patient lecture/discussion to help people understand modern concepts of neurophysiology and neuroplasticity. So we have a lot of patients who come here from around the world, and they want to understand how the different therapies they're doing help their brain to heal, or how the injuries that they received caused the brain situation that it caused. So we'll spend about 45 minutes to an hour talking. We'll field questions from the group, and it's open invitation to everyone, whether you're a patient or not a patient, or if you have some friends that you'd like to have some of their questions answered, that would be wonderful. And we look forward to seeing you. Again, it will be February 28th, 7 p.m. at our office. We'll include the address below. You don't need to register. You're welcome to just show up, and we look forward to seeing you.